Alright guys, so for this vegan baklava here, we have some Miyoko's vegan butter and some coconut oil. What we're going to want to do is lather it on this pan and get ready for the phyllo dough. So you just want to lather it all on here, evenly coated on all sides. Make sure you get the edges very well so it doesn't stick to the edges. So I got my mom helping me, and as you can see, this phyllo dough is very delicate. So you want to be very careful. Sometimes it does rip, but it's not a big deal as long as it's not completely ripped. So we want to lay down about 10 layers. And then we can add our filling on there, and then we add on another 10 layers about. So it's a bit tedious. After each layer of phyllo dough that you put on there, you do have to coat it with the vegan butter and the coconut oil. So each packet of phyllo dough is different. So basically you want to lay down half of the sheets in your packet, and then you'll put the filling in there and then lay down the rest of the sheets. So the whole point is that the filling is right in the middle. So here's the filling I was talking about. This is a combination of sugar, walnuts, and cinnamon. Now we're going to begin adding the rest of the phyllo dough layers on top of this. So now the first layer goes on, and again now we're going to apply the coconut oil vegan butter mix on the rest of the sheets that we add on. Alright guys, so now we are going to cut it. So my mom always told me that this was a very tedious process, making the baklava, and I didn't believe her. And yeah, it's easy to add on these sheets and add on all the toppings and whatnot and the filling, but cutting it is truly the most tedious part, because you have to make sure that they are clean cuts. And also guys, you can cut it however you want. This is just how I chose to cut it. Alright guys, so I finished the cuts, and now we are going to add more of the vegan butter and the coconut oil. So I forgot one step of the cut. You have to do the diagonal. I mean, you don't have to do this, but it definitely makes it look prettier. And now you can see we added those diagonal cuts. So now it is going to go into the oven at 375 for about 30 to 40 minutes. So now we're adding the syrup mixture, and the syrup is consisting of sugar, water, and lemon juice. Now we just want to garnish it with a little bit of pistachio. This is optional.